Good morning. Today we'll study about the second chapter, Movements of Earth. In this, we'll study about the shape, rotation, revolution. Now we'll start with the shape of the Earth. You all know what is the shape of the Earth? It's round. But before discovering its round, our Indian astronomers Aryabhatta and Bhaskaracharya discovered it is sphere and its spin in its axis. But those days there was no proof for them. Nobody accepted it. Later, great explorers Nicholas Copernicus proved that it is sphere and its spin in its axis with a proof. Later, the world accepted it, and today we have sure that Earth is spherical and we can see through the satellites and how it rotates. So, to learn more about the Earth, we need a globe. Already in the previous chapter, you have learned about the globe where it has a smaller shape with a vertical and a horizontal lines, means longitudes and latitudes, and a landmass, that is continents, rivers and oceans and seas and small islands in a smaller scale. Then coming to the globe, it spins around in an elliptical way. Globe in elliptical way, and it means it is, in the picture you can see, it is tilted side slightly, that is 23.5 degree. If you consider this as a base, and this is tilted in a 23.5 degree, because the earth is also tilted in a 23.5 degree, so that is called inclination of earth axis. And in the same way, the earth also spins and rotates in an imaginary line called axis. And all you know, the north part is called North Pole, and the in south it is called South Pole. Now coming to the movements. The earth takes two movements, spinning around itself and rotating around the sun. So one is called rotation and one is called revolution. So spinning earth, if you turn this globe and it is spinning, that is called rotation, and when it makes a one round around the sun is called revolution. Rotation refers to spinning of earth in its own axis. So to rotate, to make one round on its own axis, earth takes around 24 hours and it's run from east to west. This rotation causes day and night. So if you keep this globe in one of the darker room and put a light on from one side, and which part receives the light, it becomes bright. That means it has light receiving from the sun, which will be a day, and the other part will be dark, which is called as night. Then coming to the revolution. Revolution means earth moves around the sun in a fixed elliptical path known as orbit. This movement of earth is called a revolution. As I told you, rotating on its own axis is called rotation, which takes 24 hours, and moving around the sun, which takes on its own elliptical line, is called revolution. To make one round around the sun, it takes approximately 365 and a quarter days to complete it. So every year this quarter day they wave off, and this half quarter day is added in every fourth month of a February, which we called as leap year. And based on this elliptical direction, different parts of the earth receive different amount of heat and light, which makes the earth to get different season. As you know, this tilted way where it gets more light and heat gets summer, then changes into winter, autumn and spring. We'll study about different seasons, how we get. You can go through this picture where it shows the earth is in elliptical way and the amount of sun brightness is received on the earth. When earth is in this direction, this way, you get spring. This is half where we get spring and this is called autumn. And same way, this is summer and this is winter. And again same autumn and spring, then come winter here, summer here. So if you go through this picture, you can easily identify which is the earth part getting more heat will get the summer and other part with a different spring, autumn and winter. And the tilt of earth axis plays a vital role in change of season. If the axis of earth is not tilted, again the same amount of heat and sunlight which will never change the season, and this revolution also makes important role on changing the season. So this revolution and rotation plays an important role on earth to get a different season. Thank you for the day, and tomorrow we'll study about the eclipse, equinox and solstice. Thank you.